If you no longer need the Emo Meme Archer Launcher game, you can easily uninstall it. Removing unused apps helps free up storage space. It also improves your phone's performance. Start by locating the game icon on your home screen. Tap and hold the app icon. You will see options appear on the screen. Look for the uninstall option. Drag the app icon to the uninstall area. A confirmation message will appear. Tap OK to confirm. The uninstall process will begin. Wait for the app to be removed. Once done, the icon will disappear. You can also uninstall from the app drawer. Open the app drawer on your phone. Find the Emo Meme Archer Launcher game. Tap and hold the app icon. Drag it to uninstall. Confirm the action when prompted. Another method is using phone settings. Open the Settings app. Go to the Apps or Application section. Scroll through the list of apps. Select the game from the list. Tap the Uninstall button. Confirm your choice. Wait for the process to complete. The app will be removed from your device. This helps keep your phone clean and organized. Now your device has more free space.